inescapable death!
There's no monsters, no monsters!
Trip on the terror route, that's all you need. There comes a day when you're gonna look around and realize
We use the leaves to build fires, cook up the meat inside.
Just find happiness right where you are. You are your father's daughter.
Dad! I was only looking at the boats. That's good pork. Far beneath, in some cases.
Is it done yet? Ow, 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 ow.
So close!
See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know, and let me know.
He was right about going out there. Why aren't you trying to talk me out of it? If there's something you want to tell me, just tell me. We were voyagers.
To restore the heart of Tefiti.
Nope. Hey, hey. Hey, hey! Stay. Across the sea and restore the heart of Tefiti. No, 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 no! Ah! Ah! No, no. Maui. Maui.
The gods have given me a man!
I am Moana
Hero of men.
What?
It's actually Maui, shapeshifter, demigod. You use a bird to write with. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes. Oh, also I lasso the sun. You're welcome. Honestly, I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Hey! You're welcome. And thank you. Boat snack. Of you in my belly. Now let's fatten you up, drumstick.
I am Moana of Motunu.
Oh, come on! Hey, I'm a demigod, okay? Stop that. I will smite you. Kakamora. You can't sail?
I am self-taught. No, 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 no! Hey, hey!
That's a chicken.
The heart is in the...
You want to get to Tafiti, you gotta go through a whole ocean of bad. Not to mention Teka. You getting my hook? End of discussion.
You're so amazing. Deal?
Deal. Will never be a... Wait! Pull the sheet. Not the sheet. Ah! And for Tamatoa, trust me, my hook is the...
We're going to the realm of monsters?
We? No, me. Forget it. I'm not explaining it to you. Well, because then it's not funny. But I'm sure it's not wrong about you. You're the chosen one. Anux! Anux! Away!
You can do this. Go!
The realm of...
Ew, 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 ew. Maui's fish hook.
Yeah.
Sorry. Wow. A shiny, glittery cave. And just like me.
Distracted. Make him talk about himself. He loves bragging about how great he is.
What have we here? It's a sparkling thing, aren't you?
Don't! That's my grandma's.
That's my grandma's. I ate my grandma.
You became so... crab. You live.
Because I'm beautiful, baby. Did your granny say, listen?
Giant Hawk, coming up.
Get it? You don't swing it like you used to, man. Yet I have to give you all enough. Away. Now it's time to kick your honey.
Hey!
Where is it?
Where is it?
We gotta go!
What Listen, I appreciate what you did. Shark head.
What? Do you have a shark head? 'Cause...
Giant Hawk. Hey. Moana, Moana, Moana. You're so amazing. We won't make it!
Yes, we will!
Turn around!
No! No, 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 no! Nice work! I know your name. This is not who you are.
You know, it'd be rude to
Gonna miss you, drumstick.